Let's just try a little forward acceleration. Let's get into traffic here. That's what it's like on the inside of the car. Second gear. And third gear. Windows, and we're just kind of putting along. Let's go to second gear again. Squeaky clutch. Light. I got my new gauge cluster, by the way. Waiting for the light to change. Let's just pause it.